comes to conservation and preservation efforts, many of the first things that come to mind are public lands. State and national parks have been icons of the work of conservationists protecting untouched land and having it be recreationally accessible to the public. However, most of the U.S. is privately owned by individuals or corporations. So how do conservation efforts occur on private land? It can happen through conservation easements, land trusts, and private reserves. And it's all happening right in your backyard. High Acres Nature Area in Fairport, New York is owned and managed by Waste Management. It is a 250-acre conservation site which contains several different habitats from wetlands to grasslands. Some of these areas are natural while others are man-made, created to help offset impacts from other practices of waste management. RIT and Waste Management partnered in 2012 to maintain Hannah. Waste Management has become an integral part of the community by managing a part of their land at High Acres Landfill Facility into an area for outdoor recreation open to the public. The research done by RIT provides data-driven recommendations that Waste Management and volunteers incorporate for a successful conservation-based corporate land management. The execution of these management plans could not be done without the amazing volunteers. The research side of management is where our capstone team joins the equation. As fourth-year environmental science students, we have an ongoing partnership research project between RIT and High Acres. At High Acres, we complete field research in order to assess the conditions of the environment and the success of the conservation efforts. We do that through several different monitoring practices. Hydrology plays an essential role in the health of an ecosystem, so we monitor the groundwater as well as the surface water level and flow. These are done through wells that capstone students have installed for consistent data collection. Vegetation is key as well, so being able to identify fluctuations versus consistent changes in hydrology allows for decisive management to alter plans. Changes in hydrology can lead to invasive species thriving and spreading, which is why we also report vegetation monitoring, which is meant to identify problematic areas to focus on removal and treatment of invasive species, which is typically done by cutting or pulling or through the use of herbicide. In addition to in-person wildlife evaluations, we have installed trail cameras throughout the nature area in order to assess the activities of residential and migratory wildlife that have created a home at Hannah. The diversity on this site allows for a wide variety of wildlife to be observed here, such as various invertebrates, beavers, birds, snakes, snapping turtles, and deer. One of the most important parts of Hannah is the support and feedback from the public, and we would love for you to join this community. Hannah has several trails that are open year-round, including holidays. These are excellent for all forms of activity. Just make sure you follow the nature area guidelines to protect this recreational area for all inhabitants and visitors. These are posted at the entrance of the nature area. Join our community of citizen scientists by using the eBird app, which is compatible with iOS and Android. And you can help us track the avian populations that make Hannah their home, as well as seeing the data that has already been collected. Are you just beginning your journey of bird watching? You could try the Merlin Bird app. This app was developed by Cornell University and is user-friendly. Identify your bird with a short quiz about its attributes, listen to the archive of audio to find the match, or simply snap an image and the app will do the identifying for you. This is a fun and rewarding project that we feel good about being a part of. High Acres Nature Area is a prime example of the framework resulting in effective land management, which has led to a thriving ecosystem. If you're interested in volunteering or would like more information on the project, please contact RIT Capstone students or Nicole through Waste Management. Can't wait to see you out on the trails.